D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer.
Hey D&D Sports fans, welcome back to another week of what's new in the RC shop. And so far this week I got 3 different orders coming in. Today's Monday and we got 1 box. So I already broke the tape on it. Let's see what we got. I think it's going to end up being a slow week for us. I'm looking out and maybe everybody spent all their money on the MAXX release. So there we are, a blue Stampede in there so far. Bunch of packaging materials, some parts. Let's pull it all out and check it out. Alright, so everything out of the box. We got a red TRX4 Blazer. We got a blue 2-wheel drive Stampede. Got some performance parts. We got the 8119, which is the snorkel kit for the sport, still very popular. We got the 8835, which is those metal skid plates for the Mercedes-Benz. The push bars for the Bronco and the Blazer, still very popular. You'll see that that's 8066 and 8138. Got some aluminum drive shafts for the Slash and the 4-wheel drive Rustlers. The 7710s are still very popular. Those are body reinforcements. Looks like there's a Bronco or a Blazer grill there also. Alright guys, that is everything for today. We got 2 more orders coming this week. Alright guys, it's Wednesday evening and we got 1 big box today. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, I already popped the tape on it. We got some packaging material in here. Looks like one silver TRX4. Looks like there might be something else down in the bottom of the box, and it looks like some parts. So let's pull this all out and check it out. Alright, in that box we had one VXL Rustler 4x4. We have a Land Rover Defender. We had one 8919, which is a new Traxxas MAXX part. A couple restocks on some antenna tubes and some other restock on parts. The 8215s, you've seen those. If you watch my videos, we've been selling a bunch of those. Those are the TRX4 body mount kits. And we also got some performance parts. I'm going to assume these are for the 1/16 E Revos. And we have some for the Slash 4x4s. Alright guys, we have 1 more order coming in. And then we'll release this video on Friday. And it is Thursday evening, guys, and we got 2 more boxes in the RC shop this week. Nothing else pending for delivery for tomorrow. So this will wrap up the order for the week. Looks like we have one VR46 Ford Fiesta Rally. And 1 other big box. Looks like there's a body for something in there. More performance parts. Looks like there might be a battery in there. Let's pull this all out and check out all these parts. Most of them are probably going to be a lot of MAXX parts, as they are starting to come in this week and next week. Alright guys, as you can see, that box contained a ton of parts. Let me sort all through them, get them all set out for you, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've learned there is not enough room on my table to do this. So I'm going to take care of some of this bigger stuff in the back, get it off the table, and try to get some of these other parts laid out, because there is a lot of MAXX parts. And if you are looking to customize your MAXX, check us out, because we have a ton of it. So let's start right here. We got the VR46. On top of the VR46, we have some 2-wheel drive Rustler wheels. We got a 4-wheel drive Rustler wheels, and also the pile here is all MAXX wheels. So if you're blowing off tires on your MAXX already, come check us out. All right, let me get rid of this stuff. Oh, across the back we have a TRX4 body. That's a sport body. Wheelie bars. We got orange, red, white, blue, green, and black. So if you want to customize your wheelie bars on your MAXX, we got them. A-arms, red, blue, orange, green, and white. If you're changing up your A-arms, now those are interchangeable front and rear, and then top and bottom are different, but front and rear are the same. Alright guys, I'm not going to go over every one of these parts, but as you can see here, these are TRX4 parts. So again, these are new, the colored boards. You've seen the blue and the orange. We also now have yellow and green. This is all TRX4 stuff here. Across the back, got some MAXX Performance parts. If you're looking to customize, I just showed you the lower A-arms. Here is the upper A-arm colors. Across the back are the wheel washers. So inside that little colored on the center hub of the wheels, that is those. If you're looking to change the colors, we got them in stock. As any MAXX parts are coming in available from Traxxas, we are going to be getting them. So as you can see, the shocks, the springs are available, but only so far the red shock tube is available. Oh, I take that back. There is an orange shock tube right here. So red and orange are currently available. But any of the parts that begin with 89, as you see them laying here, those are all MAXX parts. Any of the ones that have that start with the digits of 89. As you can see across the back here, I apologize for the lighting. I'm doing this. This order kind of came in pretty late in the evening on Thursday, so I'm trying to get it done for you guys so that I can get this video uploaded for Friday. Alright, if you have any questions about what is coming out on MAXX parts or possible release dates, send me a message either through this YouTube channel or go on over to our Facebook page and send me a direct message there. I will try to get you an answer if you're out running your MAXX and you have broke a part, and maybe I can get you a release date as to when your replacement part will be available. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button, turn the bell on so you get notified every week when we do what's new in the RC shop. Thanks for watching.